Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, fifth unit, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Tale means here story. Story of Peter. Peter, who is here? Peter is the rabbit here. Now we are going to learn the lesson, learn the story, Tale of Peter Rabbit. Okay. Before start the lesson, see the warm up. Do you have a naughty friend? Yes, this is a question for you. Do you have naughty friend who playing pranks with you, who play mischief with you or with his family members? You have to tell his name. Tell your elbow partner about the naughty things that he has done. Naughty things that your friend does. You have to tell about your friends who playing pranks with your friends, with his friends and with family members. What it does, explain. Okay. Before start the lesson, who is the author of this lesson? Let us see. Let us read the story about naughty rabbit named Peter. This is a story about naughty rabbit. His name is Peter. This story was written by Helen Beatrix Potter. She was born 1866 and died 1943. She was an English author, illustrator and scientist. She celebrated British country life and landscape in her books. She was writing about the British country. Celebrating means she was writing about British country life and landscape in her books for children. Potter published 23 books for children. She wrote 23 books for children. Famous among which among the famous the names of the books: The Tailor of Gloucester, The Tale of Mrs. Tittlemaus here, and The Tale of Jemina Puddle Duck. These books are famous. She wrote 23 books for the children and she was celebrated British country life. And she was writing about the British country lives and their landscape in her books. Okay, let us continue the lesson. 4 little rabbits, names are Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. These are the 4 rabbits' names: Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. They live with their mother in a sandbank. Where they live? They were living with their mother, where it is the name sandbank. Underneath, where it is sandbank? Underneath the root of a big fir tree. See, they are living underneath the root where the big fir tree. Okay, let us continue here. Run along, my dears. She was giving the instruction to her children. Run along, my dear. Remember, she was giving the instruction to them and telling them, listen, remember, don't get up to any mischief. Don't do any mischief, all of you. And don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. And she was giving the instruction here, don't play mischief anyone and don't go into the garden Mr. McGregor's. Okay. Next, Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who always listen to their mother. These Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, they always listen to her mother and went to gather blackberries. They all are gathering here near the blackberries. They were eating. Peter ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden, and he ran straight to the where he went. He went Mr. Gregor's garden, where he ate some lettuce and some French beans. Then, feeling a little sick, he went to look for some parsley. Mr. Peter went to straight Mr. McGregor's garden and he ate there some lettuce. Lettuce is one type of leafy vegetables. Some French beans. Then feeling little sick. After that he was searching. Look for means here searching some parsley. Parsley, it's a eatable thing. He was searching there in the garden of Mr. McGregor's. Now I am going to ask the question to everyone. How many rabbits did the mother rabbit has? There are 4 rabbits. There, what are their names? Yes, their names are Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. What was the instruction mother rabbit was giving to her children? She gave the instruction to everyone, don't get up to any mischief, means don't do mischiefs, and don't go into the garden of Mr. Gregor's. Who went or who were listening? Who was listening to the mother rabbit? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail. They are always listening to their mother. And who is mischiefs? Who is playing pranks? Who is the naughty in their family? Peter. Peter, he ran straight and he went to the Mr. Gregor's garden, McGregor's garden. What next question? What did he eat after that when he went to the garden? After that he ate lettuce, French beans, then he was searching the parsley. Let us continue. Just around the end of the cucumber here frame, he saw Mr. McGregor, who angrily jumped up and ran after him. And he was searching the parsley at that time. He saw, who saw here? Peter saw Mr. McGregor, who was angrily jumped at and ran after the Peter. He said, Mr. McGregor, he is the Mr. McGregor. He said, stop thief. See in this picture, he was running. Peter was running and Mr. McGregor was running after him. Peter was incredibly frightened. Peter was getting frightened, getting scared. He ran as fast as he could around the garden. And he was running as fast as he could, trying to find the way back to the gate. And he was finding his way from the gate. Peter ran into the gooseberry net. And he ran into the gooseberry net. Here, see in this picture, here is the net. And he got caught by the large button on his new red jacket. And his red button of the jacket was getting caught into the net. So he getting trapped in the gooseberry net. Now I am going to ask you a question. Who was chasing or ran after the Peter? Mr. McGregor was running and jumped after the Peter. Okay. And the next question. Who is getting frightened? Peter was getting frightened. Peter was incredibly frightened. Then next question. Peter ran into gooseberry. Okay. Where did the Peter's jacket getting trapped? Getting caught? Peter's red jacket button was getting into the gooseberry net. Okay. So all of you have to read the lesson carefully and try to understand. Means you have to understand this lesson. So you have to read the lesson 3 or 4 times to get understand. Okay. Mr. McGregor came up with a rake. Rake is a tool used to remove the grass or leaves. But Peter wriggled out of his jacket just in time and took off across the garden again. But Peter was wriggled out. Wriggle out means remove or avoid here, remove his jacket just in a within minute and took off. It means he moved across the garden again. He moved away from the garden. Peter Rabbit rushed into a tool shed. Peter Rabbit, he was rushing into a tool shed and jumped into a can that was unfortunately full of water. When the Peter was running, he was very rushingly move. At that time, he was jump into a can, and the can was full filled with a full of water. Mr. McGregor was quite sure that Peter was somewhere in the tool shed, and McGregor he knew, quite sure means he knew that Peter can hide himself near the tool shed. Perhaps, perhaps hidden underneath. Underneath means underneath the flower pot. Underneath the flower pot, he was hiding himself. He carefully means Mr. McGregor was looking carefully, turned the flower pot up and down behind or underneath the flower pot. Looking under each one, he was searching under each one, under each flower pot. Then Peter sneezed. Peter was sneezed because of he jumped into the full of water. That's why he getting sneezing. Sneezing means cheekna. Cut is school.